for this game. So kahit napagod sila, kahit na 3 games, 4 na game na yata nila to in 10 days. So yun, natapat sa amin yung pinakamaganda nilang laro. And good job din.
Were you ever, like in the last 3 minutes of the fourth quarter, we started putting up a really gallant stand, pero I think it was just the breaks in the game that they were forced into overtime. Nung nag-overtime na ba, did it ever set into your mindset na amin na to? Nung overtime na?
Hindi kasi we have some lapses on that yung ano na yun kasi on the last 12 seconds or 12 seconds we have a foul free, 1 for foul. So hindi namin nagamit. So medyo nag-overtime and I talked to my boys na we prepare for 45 minutes. And that is our huddle before the game. 45 minutes we prepare for that overtime. And I'm very happy na
even without Jason Pascual, nakayanan nyo to, yung si Jason is the one alternating with Maki. So, okay, going into your next game, which should be the last game for you people. Will Jason be able to play already?
Yes, Jason, meron siyang sprain ankle, pero I think after a week, makakita na siya. And blessing sa amin kasi we have a 2 weeks rest bago ang namin. So, I think Jason will play on that.
Ano susunod mo pelikula?
Coach knows on a crucial free throw is actually kind of set the game into overtime. Would you end up giving us more free throw practice? Yes. Yung lagi naman namin ginagawa yan kasi I think we're only 65% in the free throws ngayon sa liga. So, gumagawa kami ng mga drills, but sabi ko nga sa mga players ko, it's about mind. Pag punta mo doon, alam mo yung gagawin mo, free throw, dapat nasa isip natin. So, I think we will do that. So, thank you very much, kinalala mo. So, gagawin pa namin yung madaming free throw siguro kasi ngayon, boils down to a free throw. So, hindi kami nakakonect, buti nakastop namin.
Hindi kami nakakonect, buti nakastop.
And the stop the break of the game na yung nagpa-turnaround the game kanina, I noticed na you're able to make key defensive stops na nalagpuan was driving to the basket. And then, that is our goal naman eh. If we want to go to the next level, we want to be the #1 defensive team. So now we're, I think, #2 or #3. So now, gusto talaga namin na yung boils down to defensive game. So ngayon, medyo yun nga, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, hindi kami makakashoot, kailangan hindi rin sila makashoot. So yun nga, hindi kami nakashoot ng free throw, nakastop kami. So,
kailangan ba medyo mag-improve pa sa defense?
Yes. So, kailangan namin siguro mag-improve pa yung defense namin hanggang yung season papunta sa second round. Okay. Thank you very much.